Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I'm participating in a DIY challenge being hosted by Sonia from the Domestic Diva. Do visit her channel and put the link to her channel in the description box below, along with the playlist that she has created for more inspirations for the spring and Easter season. My today's DIY is a cute decor item that you can make, anyone can make. It's very simple and it uses things that are there in the home. With the global situation that we are facing everywhere, we are inside our homes and I don't want anybody to have to go out of their home to look for the craft items or the craft raw materials anywhere. You have everything at home. I don't want you to feel sad or bored that you're not able to make something. If you like this video, you can recreate this using trash that are formed in every household. Say I'm using cardboard, so you can use any kind of cardboard, or I'm using a plastic container. You can use a terracotta container if you don't have a plastic container, or a cardboard container, or you can use your flower pots that are there in your porch or garden. You can use them as well. I'm using eggshells, natural eggshells. I've just cracked open the shell and taken the content out, washed it and painted it. So I'm using them as well. So all this kind of trash are formed in the household, and this is what I'm going to use and decorate and make my decor piece. I love to do a lot of trash to treasure, high-end tubes, different kinds of DIYs, decor, home, recipes, style, travel, everything within budget. And if you love such content, do subscribe to my channel if you're new here by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit the little bell icon beside it so that you're notified each time I post my video. I hope you will enjoy my today's DIY. Do let me know in the comment section below if you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. And I thank you so much for your time. Stay safe, stay healthy.